developed is a game called 123. It sounds fun, and actually it is. It's a no-tag location-based gaming solution. Games involved is about trading cards and collecting cards. On these cards you can find clues that will guide you through a certain museum. If you have 3 cards of the same color with a clue about the location, person, and an object, you can find your museum. And if you have a number of these museums, you can follow a certain route. And then when you arrive at a museum with your cards, you can hand them in, and you get some points, which add up to a grand total, which we win a prize with, and 3 new cards, which you can trade again. To get a better idea of this, here's the map. You can see 3 examples of routes here. One about new media, one about religion, one about war. For instance, in new media, one covers vast society, media medic, press museum, and alls. And that way, because people are enticed to follow a certain route, you can spread people all over different museums. And what you can also see on the map here is that there are certain points at which 2 museums, which one museum has 2 routes, and those are sort of called transfer points. You can see it just like a subway. People can change from one route to the other to follow, to change their direction. I'll give you an example to make it more clear. So with their entrance cards for the museum nights, each contestant gets 3 cards, and he trades. So these are 3 cards: location, a person, and an object. Then he goes trading, so you can ask just random people, his friends, or anybody. You can find cards also, get more cards, until you have 3 cards of the same color. So in this case, it's about war. You have 3 clues. The first one is a kastanjeboom. Servant have 3. And Frank. And diary. It's a pretty obvious one. Anybody has an idea? Where could this lead? Okay, you don't know. I can. Oh! So you arrive over there, and in your cards, you get a code which you can transfer for points later on. You get 3 new cards. Once you trade those cards, you have these new media cards. Location, Leestaff. Well, don't know who that one is. And the painting behind here for location project. Which will lead you to vast society. Once you hand in your cards, you get more points. So, how do these points add up the total? You enter all the codes you collected through your museum journey tonight on the website, and then we will calculate how many points you've got for following certain routes, or completing themes, or making the longest interlinked thing, or all kinds of different mechanisms. And then when you win, you can get an iPhone. There are unique selling points. Everybody joins in, even people that don't want to join and throw their cards away are brought into the game because those cards are now available for other players to get used. And so everybody participates. Also, all museums are participating because people are really enthusiastic about museums that they would not visit normally. The game is different for each player, totally different experience. So that's in a all free motion. And the game connects people, museums, and by connecting the museums also through different themes, stories are told. And it's all very low tech because you just have these cards and nothing can go wrong. Which normally never happens, of course. Okay, because you're all going to play this in November, here's some game tips. Use the people in the line, because then you can say, who's got the card? The yellow card, need one more, that's good. Great, fair, easy, smart. Certain museums pay more points, make use of the transfer points, and communicate with each other, and you'll be a winner for sure. That's our presentation.